then we can find scissors. Use this?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Careful now.
Are you recording?
Yep, I am already.
Okay. Just like in there, I guess.
Careful, don't cut your fingers. That's enough, you can just peel it.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Well, there's a card. What's this?
Here's the tools, the kits to you can adjust the settings and stuff, right? I think.
There's the instructions. And then, oh, that's the bag to put the cube in.
That's cool.
Yeah. This thing is the, I don't know what this is actually. But maybe that's, oh yeah, that is to adjust it, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. And we got the actual thing. You got Ashley talking in the background too.
Yes, alright. Oh, that's a box.
Yeah. Wow.
Try it.
That's, whoa.
Whoa.
It's so fast. Yeah, I'm not a professional though, so. like you see how it's like rounded on this in the middle? This one it isn't rounded. So when you're trying to turn here, it's like
it
breaks,
don't break it, yeah.
Yeah, it goes like that.
That's
but it's
cool.
like it always breaks.
Yeah.
This one, like you can go all the way here and it turns. See, like usually it's like that. Yeah.
Okay, solve it.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, so that one's already there. You know what? I haven't done this in a while, so.
That's fine.
Yeah. Right, I forgot to do that. There's that. Okay, I can get used to that. There's that one there. Yeah, and then this one. This here. And then
It's so cool, it's so
yeah.
smooth, right?
Yeah, it's so smooth.
Nice, almost done.
Yeah.
And
Oh, this one.
one more.
Yeah.
Oh, whoa! Can you show me all the sides? Cool.
Yeah.
Green. Nice, good job. Sweet. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.